Look at this, guys. This thing is cool. Oh, he's got his puppy in there. Huh? Cool truck.
Do you sleep inside the house?
I don't know. I don't know.
So
This is pretty cool. Banksters, keep your hands off your house.
I like it.
Nice truck. We stopped at Mickey D's. And, oh, it's just parked out front. Hey, puppy. There you go. Who needs an alarm when you got puppy? Check out the hubcaps. Yeah. Oh, pretty neat. Huh? Is that yours?
Yes, mine.
It's cool.
Of course, it's cool.
Yeah.
It's unique, huh?
Very
Yes.
unique. Yeah.
I love it.
That's nice.
I got something you'll love too. Look at all the people taking pictures.
I know. That's something.
On the freeway. Sometimes you come close to have accidents. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
People
I know.
checking you out.
I'll get an egg this morning. That's I call it my sugar shack.
Your sugar shack. Oh, look at that.
Well, that's the
Since I don't have
tailgate.
a big retirement, I sell postcards, $2 a piece. That helps me, you know.
Yeah.
Look
Oh,
at inside how it's finished.
that's cool.
I got a refrigerator,
is that
propane.
bamboo
I
in
got
the
a
back?
2-burner stove on the left there, and 5-gallon water up above.
Wow.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, the bamboo.
Bamboos that I grew
That you grew?
in Arizona. It grows wild.
Wow.
Beautiful.
You just cut them up, varnish them.
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah.
Very neat.
Very
You like that, huh?
cool. That
Ask your daddy to build you one.
right? This is awesome. I was gonna build one, but
That's great. What's your name?
Hector.
Hector? I'm Alex.
Nice
Very
meeting
nice
you.
to
Oh,
meet
you
you.
got a good handshake.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Zach.
Zach.
Zachary, huh?
Just Zach.
Just Zach.
Yeah, we kept it all short.
Yeah, cut it. Yeah.
Ty. That's my wife, Kelly.
Oh, Kelly.
Hi. This is
Very
awesome.
nice.
Wanna get a
Did you read the
postcard?
Yeah.
sign?
Yes, I did.
Yeah.
I didn't want to read it out loud.
We kept
All
our
those
pen
dots. All right, let me grab postcard.
Oh,
I want to
melted.
record this.
Oh,
I was wondering what that was.
It's melted.
It melted the cactus in Arizona.
Yep.
Wow.
And also, croquette. It's going to back.
Okay.
She's mean inside. Very mean.
Well,
But outside, she'll play with you.
it's her property.
She's
It's
protecting.
Yeah.
She's protecting it.
Oh yeah, it's
It
so
melted
hot.
the cactus. I was wondering why it looked like algae. I
leave it
couldn't
there,
figure. I'm like, well, maybe you just parked for a long time
And
under
here I had a
something.
sign, emergency kit
Yeah.
for snake, spider, and woman bites. Can't read it no more. Something funny, huh?
Oh,
Uh-huh.
geez.
Yeah.
That's so funny.
How long you been on the road?
6 days.
Okay.
I left Thursday morning, 9 o'clock, Phoenix. Sweet.
Yeah.
And I don't drive at night. Too dangerous.
I prefer to drive at night. There's a lot less people on the road. It's a lot cooler.
Yeah, it's cooler. Yeah,
A lot
for
cooler.
sure, yeah. My dog was suffering.
Oh.
And she got ticks in Phoenix.
Yeah.
Oh, I couldn't get rid of them.
Big one.
Ay, ay, ay.
And I used to brush her with a nice shampoo and all that. All the shampoo is dry.
And it's
They
still.
want your money.
Oh,
All
yeah.
they want is your money.
Right.
Go.
All right.
Okay, my friend.
It was a pleasure meeting you and chatting
Have
with
a
you.
nice vacation.
Thank you. You too. Safe trip. Enjoy.
I
Good
always
fishing.
do. Yeah, I'm retired.
Awesome.